Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's a brick world and I'm super excited. The Holiday Express train, can't wait to build this, get the little festive winter village going on before we've got our little Christmas display. I've got the train and it just looks really good. I can't believe it comes with a 3D part. I don't know why Lego have done that, but they have. And it comes with some awesome minifigs for the little train going around. We've got the 1:1 size of the actual 3D print. And here's the back with all the details on there. You get the train, a little cart, a polar bear, another little carriage, a little docking station. Got a docking station here. And I was a bit gutted because I thought you got these in it and you don't. So I've been on to Lego website. It's going to cost me another £77, but you can buy one of the train sets that do include it for £99. And I can probably, and that's with tracks as well. So that's probably the better option for me. I can always use an alternative build for the train that it comes with. It's got loads of windows. Windows are good in Lego to build buildings, and I could probably make a little train station out of it, little platform to go with this train set. So that's my idea, my thinking. But this looks amazing. I can't remember how much I paid for it at Lego. I did get the insider's points on it, so I got 10% off, which I was pretty chuffed about. And yes, I can't wait to open and build this. Now it's November. There is no excuses. I had to wait because I wasn't allowed to build it until Halloween has passed, which I do understand. But I was super excited for this. And let's see what's inside the box. So let's open it up and see what's inside. It's a big old box. Oh, so it comes with 2 instructions. It's going to be such a little cool build. How many bags we have? So it comes with 6 bags, loads of track. I'm guessing they're stuck together. Let's get building. It's here, it's finally built. Took me about 4 hours, so probably just under a week, because I do not get the time to spend 4 hours playing Lego. I wish I could. That's just the story of my life at the moment. Work, and family and other stuff like that. But this was an incredible build. It's got so much little details. I love the little Christmas wreaths and look on it. And we've got 4 minifigures. We have the conductor, the train driver in there, and the 2 passengers. But the Empire have overtook this train. I've got Darth Vader in there sipping on some mint hot chocolate. Got Snow Trooper there, one in there, and I've got Darth Vader's body. And the brilliant thing about this train, it has a bit of mechanics. You can see the polar arm going up and down. Also the chimney smoke going up and down. Really enjoy it. Cannot wait to get the remote control and battery in there. My first Christmas set. Really enjoy it. I've got Santa's post office to build next. What do you think I should add to the village, or should I just kick this around the train and around the tree? I really want the gingerbread AT-AT and gingerbread house. I'm really in love with this Christmas theme from Lego. I feel like it's going to be a black hole in my pocket for Christmas, but what more fun could you have than building Lego on Christmas and having a nice Lego Christmas display? What do you guys think of my Empire Holiday Express train? They're out to deliver all the presents to the kids all across the Empire. Everyone loves Christmas, even Darth Vader. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Comment down below what's your favourite bit of the set, what set I should buy next. Please like, share, subscribe, ring that notification bell, and let's get this channel blowing up, because I want to build more Lego and have a massive Lego city for you guys to review and share along with me. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day and enjoy November. Christmas is only around the corner.